So our average client for a DUI is going to be somebody who's never been in trouble with the law before, has never received a DUI. They're scared, they don't know what to do. And so what you have to remember, in Arizona, there are several different types of DUIs. There's impaired to the slightest degree, there's a regular DUI, there's an extreme DUI, and then there's a super extreme DUI. So it really all depends on what your blood alcohol content was. The higher your blood alcohol content, the higher charge you're going to face. So anything above a 0.15 is going to be an extreme, and then if you're over a 0.20, that's a super extreme DUI. It doesn't, a lot of times people think, oh my God, well, you're more than double the legal limit at a 0.16, that's got to be falling down drunk. You would be very surprised. So if you're a person who maybe drinks on the weekends, again, I'm not judging, I'm just saying drinks on the weekends, which there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe you're used to drinking higher alcohol, so maybe you're used to drinking whiskey or scotch or hard alcohol mixed drinks, or maybe you're used to drinking heavy IPAs, I don't know. So you have some level of tolerance. A 0.16 is not that high. You're not going to be falling down drunk, you're not going to be blacked out drunk. Now that said, maybe it's your first time drinking, or maybe you're a female or male and you weigh 100 pounds and alcohol, even just one strong IPA or one mixed drink, affects you. So it's really all over the board, but the common misconception is you're passed out, falling down drunk at an extreme DUI. That's not the case. So in an extreme DUI in Scottsdale, here's the deal. You could be looking at up to 30 days in jail. All right, 30 days in jail. Breathalyzer installed in your car for 18 months. It's a bad situation to be in. Now the good news is we get hired for DUIs nearly every day of the week. All right, I've been in almost every single court in Arizona, but Scottsdale is one of the courts that our office is in the most. Okay, we're in Scottsdale maybe 3 out of 5 days a week. Every year we get hired by hundreds of people out of Scottsdale. We're very familiar with the process there, very familiar with the employees, the judges, the prosecutors. We've got a tremendous reputation. So what we do in these cases is we get involved right away. We get the blood. When in Scottsdale, they either do a breath test or a blood draw. So if there's a blood draw, there are 2 vials of blood. One they test, one we test. It's important, it's imperative that we test that second vial of blood right away to see if there's any discrepancies. We interview the police officers, we do the MVD, we work the case, we press it, we push in an attempt to get the case reduced or dismissed. It's been a very long time since one of my clients has done 30 days in jail, okay? So if you don't want to do 30 days in jail, you don't want the maximum penalty for your Scottsdale extreme DUI, call our office immediately. 602-980-1987. The majority of our DUIs happen on a Friday, Saturday night, or early on a Saturday morning, Sunday morning. That's why our lawyers are on call 24 hours a day, 365 days in a year. So if you get in trouble on a Friday night, call us. Saturday morning, call us. Saturday afternoon, call us. We're going to be here for you. Always free consultations, very affordable payment plans. There's no reason, you do not have a reason to not hire us if you've been charged with an extreme DUI. We've got a tremendous amount of experience. We're incredibly good at what we do. If you're looking for a smart, aggressive law firm who's going to fight for you tooth and nail, call our lawyers, 602-980-1987.